Check out this little S10, guys. Step side, very rare. You don't see these with a step side. It's a really good looking truck. Lower, got some nice wheels on it. Just a clean truck. Look at that. He's getting airbags on it next. Until then, we're going to show it to you like this. Clean little truck. And it's got the 4.3 in it too. Anyways, let me show you guys what we've done on it. So it's got downpipes right there and right there. There usually is two cats side by side. We took them off and replaced them with true duals and high flow cats. One there and one there. True dual system, as you guys can see. Then 2.5 in the middle. And install the Flowmaster Super 10 dual in, dual out. Here's the part number on the Flowmaster Super 10, 842-5154. There'll be a link in the description for it, right there. And that's the whole system. Came out really clean, really nice, if I would say so myself. We could have ran it out the back, but he's getting airbags, he said, on it, so we didn't run it out the back. Was on it before. There's the muffler, there's the intermediate pipe, and the cats are over there. It's got some pinstriping on it too, right there. Clean little truck. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, subscribe. Here we go, guys. Let's see what she sounds like. Much better. Wow. What do you think? Do you approve? Yeah. He approves? Wow, that sucker's loud. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 109. Again? It's definitely opened it up compared to that 40. It was really quiet with the 40. You couldn't even hear it. Weather's amazing, guys, today. If you guys don't know, we are in Nashville, Tennessee. There's our beautiful shop at 3560 Dickerson Pike. And there's our number if you guys want to ever give us a call. We can help you out. That's a mean sounding truck. What do you guys think? Deep throatiness. Look at the stats on this thing. It's clean. It looks like a toy. I like it. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Chevy S10 4.3 with true duals, high flow cats, and Flowmaster Super 10. I like it. That sucker flies. Look at that. Enjoy it, guys.